Hello, and welcome back to watching me get rid of stuff that's in my fridge. Today, I've got this small amount of broccoli. Why did I save myself only this one floret? I cooked the rest. At one time, I bought a normal amount of broccoli, cooked the rest, and then was like, you know what? I'll save this little tiny crown for later. Don't know why I did that. Now it's just a kind of a weird amount. So today I'm going to try making smashed broccoli for the first time. I've never done it before. I love broccoli. I'll eat it in any way, shape, or form. Normally I just steam it. Why not smash it today? And then we'll make it cheesy, you know. Maybe this will be the funnest way to eat it and I'll never go back. Maybe my life is about to change right now. First, I'm cranking the oven up to 425 degrees. And now I'm going to cut the broccoli into florets. Okay, let's dress these up with some seasoning. First, we need to coat them in olive oil. And now I'm adding some red pepper flakes, chili powder, garlic salt, and a little pepper. Why not? I'm gonna give these a stir to make sure everything gets evenly coated. I'm gonna line this little baking sheet with parchment paper. I'll spread it into a nice even layer. All right, I'm gonna put this in the oven for like 15 minutes and see how we do. In the meantime, I'm going to shred up some cheese. They're doing some construction in the street, on the building next door. I don't know peace. Most internet recipes for smashed broccoli seem to recommend Parmesan, but I'm gonna use cheddar instead. That's probably good. I don't have a ton of broccoli. And here are my little beauties. It's time to smash them up. Xtine smash! So I've got this little mason jar and I'm gonna try to use this as my smashing device. Those are looking pretty smashed to me. It's time to add the cheese. Back in the oven they go for like 5 minutes. Just to melt the cheese. And then we can eat them. This was so easy. Oh yeah! What a trashy little way to eat some broccoli. Look at that. That's really something to behold. We took a healthy vegetable and we made it less healthy. Proud of us. It's delicious. It's cheesy broccoli. What do you expect, you know? I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you for watching. Go watch my pumpkin pie video. Please. Love ya. Bye.